Here's a pair of the JBL Live 660 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV or an Amazon Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. So first thing is go to the home page here. Just click on the home button on your remote, and then you want to navigate to the settings icon all the way to the right. So we're going to keep moving over right there. Now from here, we're going to move down, and we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select on that. Now we're going to go down to other Bluetooth devices right there. Select on that. From here, we're going to go down to add Bluetooth devices. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's hurry up and put these into pairing mode. So these headphones are currently off. Let me go ahead and turn these on here. Let me turn it on. And I'll know that this is in pairing mode if the light here is blinking blue, 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 blue. I get a solid white light here. If you get a solid white light or a solid blue light, then just manually put it into pairing mode. If we slide under, we have a button, a Bluetooth button right here. Go ahead and tap on that. And as soon as you tap on that, now we should get a blue blinking light, which indicates we are in pairing mode. So we are in pairing mode. Now you just have to wait until it finds it. Okay, there you go. If it took too long, then you can just rescan it. But it did find it, JBL Live. So I'm going to scroll down. Let's go ahead and select it. I just heard the chime on here, and we are connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.